how to have multiple Pokemon TCG Pocket accounts. The first thing that you want to do is load up the app, then click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. From here, we will choose Other. After you have clicked on Other, you want to go into Account and make sure that your account is linked. So here you can link it to Google, you can link it to Apple, or your Nintendo account. So once you have made sure that your account is linked so you don't lose your progress, what we're gonna do is close the app, and then you just want to find Pokemon TCG Pocket, press on it, and then remove app. Click on remove app, and here you want to select not remove from home screen, but instead you want to delete the app altogether. After you have deleted the app, you will then go into the App Store, and you just want to search for Pokemon TCG, and we'll just reinstall the app. Now find Pokemon TCG Pocket, click on it, install the application, and then it is going to ask you for a new account, and then you can create a new account or log back into your previous account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.